Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn about the two important tools that are available in the modified category of tools in the home tab, which are the rotate and mirrors in detail with the help of example. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. The rotate tools and the mirror tools are both lies in the modify category of tools, which is this one. This is the rotate and this is the mirror tool. So the rotate tool means to rotate your object in AutoCAD about a certain axis or a point, means a base point, at desired rotation angle. So you can, by through this tool, you can rotate your object by your desired rotation angle, and the mirror tool is used to mirror your object about a certain axis or certain point. So now we will learn these two tools with the help of example. So I want to draw a rectangle here, and through this we will learn these two tools. So in an arbitrary, I want to draw this triangle. So I want to change the color so that it should be clearly visible, and I want to assign them this green color, and now I want to apply the line weight. So now you can see this rectangle clearly. Now I want to rotate. First we will discuss the rotate tools and then the mirrors. So what we want means I want to rotate this rectangle by 30 degrees. So first I will select this rectangle, because the rotate and mirror tools lies in the modify category. So any object you want to modify, so first you need to select. So first I will select, and then I will click on this rotate. So you can see in the command line to specify the base point for rotation. So I want to rotate this rectangle through this point, which will be acting as a base point. Now it requires in the command line, as you can see, to specify the rotation angle. So I want to rotate it by 30 degrees, so I will click here a 30 degree. So and then enter. So you can see the triangle has been rotated by an angle of 30. So if I change the color, the layers from this as the enter, and now I want to check the angle. So I will click here, and then we'll select here. You can see the angle is 30 degrees. So this rectangle has been rotated by 30 degrees from this horizontal axis, from this horizontal line. And now we want to rotate this rectangle by 60 degrees. So we will select and will then click on the rotate, and we will click on the base point. This is the base point, and now we want to rotate it through 60 degrees, so we will enter 6, we write 60 and then enter. So now you can see the rectangle has been rotated by 60 degrees from here, which was at 30 degrees before. So 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degrees, and you can see now the angle which is 90 degrees with this baseline. So this was all about the rotation of your object as per your desired angle, so you can rotate your object. So now we will proceed to discuss the another tool, which is the mirror. So mirror tool is also lying in the modify category of tool. So we want to first modify, and then we'll click on the mirror tool. Now you can see in the command line it requires to specify the first point of mirror line. So I want to, the first point for the line is this one. Now you can see the first line here, first point for the mirror line has been assigned. Now in the command line you can see it requires to specify the second point of mirror line. So I want to select this point here to make it mirror, so to active the ortho mode. So now I want to click here is the second point of mirror line. So about this line, the mirror, we have mirrored this object, so it has been mirrored to here, you can see. So simply we will select the object and then click on the mirror, and then we'll specify the first point and then the second point, and then we enter. Once you enter, so the object will mirror from this axis where we have specified the 2 points by the mirror. So this object has been mirrored about this mirror line, which is on this side. So this was all about the mirror command, the rotate and mirror tools available in the AutoCAD. So now if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section about the rotate and mirror tools in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching this video.